Hey YouTube, hi, I'm Greg the Gum Guy, and it's really early. It's about 5:30 here. Just got up to get ready to go to work, and just wanted to do a quick video on tongue cleaning. Now, I didn't clean my teeth last night. Crazy, right? Hashtag Greg the Gum Guy, hashtag Rebel, and that's all in the name of science. In order to get this. As you can see, a little bit of a tongue coat in there. So I need to do this all in one take, because once I've cleaned this off, it's going to take me another 24 hours without cleaning my teeth again to build that up. And I don't really want to go through that again. So basically, what causes a tongue coating like this? It can be several things. It can be breathing through your mouth at night time. It can be dehydration, not drinking enough water, eating certain foods and drinks, and smoking is a big one. Smoking can cause a lot of tongue coating, and you can get differing degrees of tongue coating. So you can get a white tongue coating, a mild yellowing like you saw there. It can go orangey in colour, quite dark in colour. You can get, it can build up quite thick, and it can build up to the extent, if you smoke a lot, it can build up to the extent that it looks like there's lots and lots of little hairs on your tongue, and it can be called a hairy tongue. Now, it's not really hairs and that, it's just different degrees of build up, plaque build up, and it's not very nice. It can contribute a lot to bad breath, and it's really easy, really simple just to keep away. And the way you can do this is by regular tongue cleaning. Now, you can use tongue cleaners, the plastic tongue scraper cleaners that you can buy, and they are okay. They serve a purpose to a point. And on the backs of some toothbrushes like this, you can get these like little rubber tongue cleaners like this, so they can clean away on your tongue and clean away that tongue coating. And they are all fairly useful. So you open your mouth like this, and you can do this with a tongue coating. You can use some water. And you can see there, all that, can you see that yellow stuff just starting to build up on the back of the toothbrush? Do it a bit more. Yeah, that's not nice. Ugh. And that's the plaque starting to build up on the back of the toothbrush. So I'll just rinse this off. So you can see there, they do work to surgery, but my favourite thing, what I normally recommend for tongue cleaning, is just simple. It's just a medium firmness toothbrush like so. Oh, sorry, there's the camera. Medium firmness toothbrush like so. And just water. No toothpaste, just water. It's that simple. And you just scrub until the tongue goes pink again, and until that's all cleaned off. Now, if you've got a really thick, heavy tongue coating and it's been there for some time, and you smoke as well, and it's really well established, you might have to do this quite a few times while toothbrushing to get rid of this, and it might take you a few days to get your tongue back to a nice healthy tongue again, but it will happen and it will get there. So just persevere. You only want to do it for about 30-40 seconds at a time. Well, so you know, if that makes your tongue sore, then just do it for 10-20 seconds at a time, but just do it. Just clean your tongue every morning. So what I'm going to do now is just going to demonstrate this. I'm going to tongue clean, and I'm going to clean this off on the camera for you, so you can see how it works. Okay, here we go. Rinse it in between. Yeah, you can see it's all starting to come off now. Nearly gone, one more go. Out. Can you see? All nice and pink, all nice and pink, all gone. Okay, when you tongue clean, obviously don't push this too far because it'll make you gag. And right at the very back of your tongue, when you start to get to the gagging point, you're not going to get that bit really clean, and you don't need to go that far back. It's where a lot of the tongue coating and the bad breath comes from, is all this stuff on the top surface of the tongue there. So just clean until this is all off. Okay. Yeah, that's good. If you do this for that amount of time, what did that take? That was about 30-40 seconds. If you do that every time you brush your teeth, then you're not going to have a problem with a tongue coating. Your mouth's going to feel much fresher, and you're going to reduce massively the chance of you sort of getting morning breath and bad breath. Okay, don't want to go through that again. Didn't clean my teeth last night. Mind blowing. Blimey, I never go to bed without cleaning my teeth, but that was in the name of science. That was the tongue cleaning. That's a nice clean tongue. So I'm off to work now. Well, I'm going to get ready and off to work now. So I'm Greg the Gum Guy. I'll speak to you soon. Thanks. Bye.